going on, everybody? Jordan here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some stuff from American Dude Beard Co. They sent this stuff over for me to check out. This logo, better look at it. Really cool. Got the comb and the rifle, the US flag. This is an American small batch company. Really cool branding. I like it a lot. So yeah, let's get into this. So we're going to unbox this, and then I will tell you a bit more about the company. But waiting a long time for this, so I want to get into it. I've even got a unboxing knife from Kentucky. It's got my name on it. So right there, American Dude Beard Company. With a handwritten note. Oh, cool. With a seal. That is awesome. That's really cool. Let's see if I can do this without breaking the seal, wrecking the seal. Yeah, there we go. I want to keep that. That's freaking awesome. Alright, let's have a look at this here. We got. Oh, cool. Comes with a guitar pick. There. That's super cool. It says. I'll put this out of the plastic bag so y'all can see it better. It says lifestyle grooming freedom. Backwards for you guys, but that's super cool. I like that a lot. Very cool sticker. The red, white, and blue. That's amazing. I love that. American Dude Beard Company. Little card. Thank you for being the badass that you are. Nice. I like that. That's cool. It's just my shit information. Y'all need to see that. Yeah. Looks like in the box. Let's see. Okay. So got a nice sticker. Really impressive unboxing experience. And then I'll just tilt this down so y'all can see it. So you get all that, and you get the oil. I got this in they sent over the gunpowder scent and oil, butter, and balm. Super cool bottles. 100% all natural premium ingredients for 100% all natural premium beards. Nice. Made in USA. Ingredients: virgin argan oil, black cumin seed oil, organic sweet almond oil, golden jojoba, hemp seed oil, cocoa oil, organic fractionated coconut oil, meadow foam seed oil, marula oil, organic evening primrose oil, and virgin moringa oil, and mackay berry oil. Never heard of that. That's cool. And essential oils for scent. So I'll have the scent pop up on the screen here because I don't know it off the top of my head. Yeah, let's get this little plastic off here. I was struggling with this. Okay, let's do that. I Google Home in the background if y'all can hear that. Ooh, it's like a citrus, like a kind of a darker, like a peppery kind of citrus, like. Ooh, that is nice. I like that a lot. You got the restrictor on the top, another bottle. You've got, this is the beard butter, 2 ounce. I feel like 2 ounces is the best size for butters. Butter may melt during transit, refrigerate back to solid. Yep. Definitely may have to do that. Get that seal off. Put that in there. Let's see. Is that carefully? Comes with a seal on top. Oh yeah, so that is a little melted, but yeah, that's to be expected. So I'm just gonna leave that on for now. It smells nice though. I like it. Pretty unique scent for sure. And you've got the American Dude Beard Balm as well, 2 ounce, black screw top container. Super cool unboxing presentation. I really like that a lot. See if it's melted at all. It's a very interesting scent. It's like, I've never smelled anything like it. Alrighty, so let's talk about American Dude Beard Co. a little bit. So I got this little sheet here from American Dude Beard Co. The owner is Tarek, by the way. This is a small batch American beard company, and they set these products out for me to test out. Yeah, so right now they sell beard oil in 1 and 2 ounce bottles, as well as beard balm in the 2 ounce container, and beard style balm is also in a 2 ounce container, as well as the beard butter is in either a 2 ounce or a 4 ounce container. So I have the 2 ounce in the butter and the balm, and then a 1 ounce in the oil. Yeah, 1 ounce in the oil. And the gunpowder scent, which is grapefruit, bergamot, ylang ylang, vetiver, and carrot seed. It's described as a smoky scent. Yeah, and then they also have 1776, which is, and they describe, they say, because this is the base of our product, which started it all, and that's their unscented. And American Eyes is inspired by apple pie, so it's vanilla, green apple, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And then Freedom, because of its calming properties, frees your mind, and that's lavender, bergamot, lemon, and patchouli. And then Northwest is the region in America that produces peppermint and spearmint. And this is rosemary, eucalyptus, peppermint, spearmint, bergamot, and frankincense. And then Pheromone, during testing, this scent was favored by women. So vanilla, coffee, grapefruit, lime, and turmeric. And then Rupert, Escape Escape the Pina Colada Song by Rupert Holmes. Nice, good song. And that's coconut, pineapple, amber, musk, and frankincense. So also, with these products, they have Black Label, which is only essential oils for scent, and then White Label is essential oils and fragrance oils, and then Gray Label is the unscented lineup. I really like that they have the different varieties. I know some people prefer essential oils, some people prefer fragrance. I don't really have a side. I like both. I have products that, as you can kind of see behind me there, I've got tons of different products that do use fragrance and some that don't. Yeah, solid handful of different products, as well as the beard oil scent sampler. That'll run you $21. And a 1 ounce beard oil will run you $17. The 2 ounce will run you $22. The beard balm will run you $20. The 2 ounce butter will run you $20, and the 4 ounce butter will run you $25. So overall, pretty solid prices for what you get. $22 for a 2 ounce beard oil, and so you could get a 4 ounce beard butter and a 2 ounce oil for probably like less than $50, which is pretty solid, I would say. Yeah, it's kind of some information that I wanted to share about the company, and they do ship to Canada, which is really cool. So I always appreciate a company that ships to Canada. Yeah, this is kind of what I wanted to mention. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so let's talk about the ingredients on the beard butter. So it's going to be shea butter, kokum butter, muramura butter, mango butter, virgin argan oil, black cumin seed oil, organic sweet almond oil. Okay, so then all the same blend as the oil. The oils are the same blend as the beard oil. Really cool label, made in the USA. The US flag right there. Black container, silver top, 2 ounce. Which, like I said, is my favorite size for butter, because as you can see behind me, I've got a whole bunch of 4 ounces and I'll never run through them. So I like that it's 2 ounce. 2 ounce balm as well. So one piece of feedback right off the jump, I would say adding the scent profile on the bottle is definitely would be a nice touch, but it's not a big deal that it doesn't. But it just would be nice to have. But yeah, really unique scent. Can test this in beard. All these products for at least a week, if not 2 weeks. Yeah, gonna do some product photos here shortly. Post those up on Instagram. So check me out on Instagram if you haven't. But yeah, check out American Dude Beard Co. down below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, let me know down below. And if you've tried American Dude Beard Co., let me know what scents and what you thought about them. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back for more soon. Peace out.